So if you're watching this video right now, I can almost guarantee that you've started a YouTube channel before, but it probably hasn't blown up and you haven't gained a ton of subscribers because one, it takes a lot of time to start and be committed to a YouTube channel, and two, you probably just haven't had the best equipment and best content to get to the top of the leaderboard. But what if I told you that you can make a YouTube channel and film absolutely no videos and put no time at all into your channel and make a lot of money as much as these big YouTubers are by literally making no videos and spending like 30 minutes a day on your channel? Well, it's not a what if anymore. I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can make money on YouTube without filming a single video in your entire life. So if you guys don't like showing your face, if you don't like doing stuff on YouTube, but you still want to make passive income off of the platform, then it's super easy to do. There's easy ways to do this, and this is one of the best ways I've seen. I'm definitely gonna make this video to teach you guys how to do it and tell you guys what you can do, and you can basically start it today. It's as easy as that. So before we get started with this video, I'm gonna have a subtle plug for my Discord server. I want you guys to join. You can talk to other people who like my videos, and you can learn a lot about Instagram and YouTube through there. Plus, I'm giving away Amazon gift cards every month. So if you want to win like $10 a month, you guys should go join that, and I will be giving away money. And everybody likes money, right? So let's go ahead and get right back to the video and learn how you can make money on YouTube without filming videos. So this is a strategy that not many people have used, but I started using it recently, and I've been seeing massive results. And I don't want to give away the channels that I'm doing now because last time I did, people started copying them. I don't really want them to be copied because mine are working really good for me now. But basically, I've made videos on Instagram theme pages where you just re-upload content and post content that other people made and took on your page. And with this strategy is basically the same thing. You're taking content from other people who are making videos that you're gonna post, you're gonna give them credit and go ahead and re-upload that on your channel, and then you can get your channel monetized. But you might be wondering how you're gonna take somebody else's video and post on your channel, because you're not really taking a video like this video, me talking to the camera. You're taking like a compilation video, kind of like a niche, like an Instagram theme page, and you're posting content like that, except instead of pictures, you're posting videos. So for example, you can do certain niches like top 10 best funny videos, viral content, and other like funny fails, stuff like that, and you can make a lot of money doing that because you can see some of these funny fail videos on YouTube get like 100 million views, where like other videos get like 20. And I guarantee that you've searched up try not to laugh videos before, and a lot of people watch them, and so if you just constantly post those, you can get your channel monetized, and those channels make upwards of like $10,000 a month. You guys might think this is like the hardest thing in the world to do, but it's really not. If you guys do exactly what I'm telling you to do in this video, you can probably get your channel monetized and start earning monthly revenue within like the first 2 months or so. It's pretty easy to do. It's not the most complicated thing in the world, but it's also not the easiest thing in the world. So make sure you guys stay tuned, watch till the end of this video, and you should be able to start your own YouTube theme page relatively soon. Let's go get started with the steps of how to make your channel and how to start posting and re-uploading content. So step 1 is to make your channel. You're gonna pick a name, not your personal name obviously. You're gonna pick something cool like Funny Videos 101 or something that has to do with your niche, and you're gonna pick a good catchy name and then find a profile picture. You can make a profile picture off of Canva, Photopea, or Photoshop, which are basically all free versions, but if you have Photoshop, definitely use that, it's the best. But if you don't, use Canva, which is online on your browser, and also Photopea is also on your browser. But if you want to download something and get kind of more in depth into it, you can get paint.net, which is also free, but it's a software that you can download onto your computer and make stuff kind of like Photoshop. But I'd recommend using Canva or Photopea. They're both free on your browser on Chrome, and they're super easy to use. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do that, make sure you follow my Instagram or DM me and I'll teach you guys how to use it. And when you're making your profile picture and your banner, you want to make it look as professional as possible. You don't want to just go in there with a meme or something like that. You want to make your channel look like a brand. You want it to look like a professional business, that when people see it, they're going to see you as a big like news page or something like that. You want a professional logo that you can almost see like a broadcasting news page that they uses. So you want to make your page its own business, not just a normal meme video page that like all the 7-year-olds do at home. You want to make it look like a professional brand, and once you do that, it's going to engage a lot more people to want to subscribe and like your content. So next step is to choose a niche. I've seen a lot of pages, obviously you guys have heard of like chilled cow, lo-fi music and stuff. That's probably the best niche to do for these kind of pages, is like re-upload chill, relaxing, study music that you can post on your page, and a lot of people are going to be inclined to watch that because because a ton of people search up like lo-fi music and hip-hop beats all the time just to relax and study too, and they're not going to care what channel is. Unlike if you're searching a video, you're going to decide between KSI and Logan Paul, but on here people aren't going to care about the channel at all. They're just going to click on whichever one they see looks appealing. So make sure you work on your thumbnail, which is coming down on a later step. But you can also do like countdown, top 10, viral videos, try not to laugh, other videos like that. There's a lot of channels that do that, and my best one, like I said, would be music. Then I'd try to do like countdowns or gonna try to do countdowns or like top 10 videos, because those really do, because there aren't a lot of channels like that. But if you post like Christmas countdown videos that are always like live streaming, or videos that are counting down until Christmas, then you could do that. That'll work really well. But also you can do videos that just upload really fast, like top 10 videos, funny videos, try not to laugh. There's a lot of channels that do that, but if you work hard enough, it's not gonna stop you from getting a ton of views and subscribers. So the next step after you choose your niche is to start getting a plan to get monetized. You want to figure out how many times you want to post a week. You want to figure out what kind of videos you want to post, and start getting into that mental mindset of how you're going to pursue it and make a lot of money off this page. The best way to find content is obviously off YouTube, because you're basically copying another page. What you want to do is search up your niche. So for example, you're going to search up try not to laugh if you're doing a try not to laugh page, and then you want to sort it by most viewed this month. So that's basically going to be a actual viral video that's getting a lot of views within this month. So you're going to pick one with a ton of million views, and then you're going to go ahead and copy the link. And there's a couple softwares that you can use to download the video in 4K. I think mine's called 4K Video Downloader. I download it on my Mac, and I don't know if it's on Windows, but I know it works really well for my Mac. And you're gonna go ahead and download that video. You're gonna make a thumbnail. Thumbnails work really good on this page. You need to make sure you work a lot on the thumbnails, because it will work really well for you, and you'll be able to make a lot of money if you have a good looking thumbnail and it looks really good. So after you find your video, you're gonna make sure that you give credit in the description to the person you took it from, so there's no copyright issues, no suing or anything like that. Because as long as you give credit and they're not a real brand that has millions of subscribers, then you should be okay. You'll still be able to get monetized, and there's not going to be any issues with getting money. So the next thing is, when you upload your video, you're going to want to optimize it for SEO, which is search results. So you want to try to come up closest to the top of the search results as you possibly can, because if you come up closer, then people are going to click it, and not many people scroll down to like the 80th page to try to find your video with 2 subscribers. So the main ways you can optimize your video for search results is by making a catchy title that looks really good, and also include keywords into your title that people are going to search. So like try not to laugh videos, something like that. But don't just make it something basic like try not to laugh, because a lot of people are searching that. There's millions and millions of people searching that a day, and there's also tons of way bigger pages than you posting that. So the chance that you're going to come up first out of the try not to laugh keyword is really low, because there's so many people on there. You're not going to be first no matter what. So you want to try to use something more in depth. So like try not to laugh videos 2020, or if you want to get even more in depth and come up at the very top, you want to do try not to laugh videos November 2020, because people are going to search that. Trust me, they do search that a lot, and you'll probably come up first page, because I don't see many people are posting videos with titles like that in this month. And the next way is definitely your thumbnail, because thumbnails always optimized for SEO, because depending on how many people click them, there's a click-through rate percentage on your videos. You want to try to have a click-through rate of above 7%, because if you have above 7%, then people are clicking it. And if you post a video and the click-through rate is like 2%, you're going to want to either change your title or change your thumbnail, because those are the two main aspects that are going to make you the most money. And if you have a terrible thumbnail, it's just stock from the video, you're not going to make, people aren't going to click on it. So you want to use Canva or Photopea. Like I said before, you can do 1280 by 720 is the thumbnail resolution. You can go ahead and use that to make your own thumbnails, and they'll look really good if you put a little bit of time into them. You can just chop 2 clips in between, then overput like a cool title with Comica Axis font, which is the best font. Then you can go ahead and just write top 20 videos 2020, and if you make it cool, and if you do cool colors and make the thumbnail look attractive, then obviously people are going to click on it. So the next thing, I'm going to give you guys a quick schedule of how much you should post, how often you should post, and what you should do while posting. And basically what you're going to want to do is just post once a day. It sounds like a lot posting daily, but really you're only going to be spending like 30 minutes a day on this, because all you got to do is just scroll through YouTube, find a video, download it, and upload it. All you got to the only work you actually have to do is coming with a title, description, and thumbnail, which basically you can just copy and paste over time. As long as you make them different and optimize them for different parts of SEO and stay with your niche, I can almost guarantee that you're going to get monetized relatively quickly. I know I said this in like step 2, but I can't stress it enough how much you really have to work on your thumbnails. Probably your thumbnail is the most important part of your video, besides the title. Obviously the thumbnail is what people are going to see before they even see the title, and so if you have a terrible crappy thumbnail, people are just going to scroll past you and not even click on your video. But if you have a good engaging thumbnail that people are engaged to click through, then you should definitely work as hard as you can on the thumbnail, because people are going to click on your video. So just when you're making your thumbnail, just think about something that you would see on YouTube and something that you would click on, and try to replicate that thumbnail. But obviously don't copy anybody else. If you have 2 thumbnails that you basically just stole from other pages, that could be a copyright issue, or people are just going to make fun of you for being a copycat. So that's been like the main 5 or 6 steps that you can use to make your own YouTube theme page, and that's what's going to help you grow. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments or in Instagram if you guys started a page, if you guys ever tried this before, and if you guys get success on this page. I would love to see your success stories, and I hope you guys really make a lot of money off of this. It's a really good way to do it, and make sure you guys keep it a secret. Shh, don't tell anybody. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.